I wobbled.
Hello everyone. Oh, where am I? I'm in Mrs. Bradford and Mrs. Simpson's room. I'm at Mrs. Bradford's desk while she's not here. And Mrs. Simpson's filming, aren't you, Mrs. Simpson?
I am.
For a wave. Okay, so here we've got the timetable for next week, okay? So you should have a copy of this in your learning packs and it will be on the website as well, the school website. So on Monday morning, first of all, we've got our handwriting. So again, there's the video for you to click on. It's letters next week. G, H and I. Okay, G's quite a tricky one. That's first thing. Then we'll have our Zoom, so we'll see all your lovely faces as usual. And then the phonics. Now for the phonics everybody, I'll just explain. We're going back to the beginning of the set 2 sound, so it's A sound. A lot of you know it, quite a few of you don't know. But it's good practice just going over it again. So we're going to read the A sound with Rosie, okay? Then in the maths everybody, you need to click on the link and we're doing some adding using number bonds. And then in your pack, you'll be completing questions 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Don't worry about 5 and 6 in Monday's lesson, you don't need to do those, okay? Then in the afternoon, there's a task for you on purple mash. Here's an activity for you to do with it, everybody. You need to get a dice. If you haven't got them at home, doesn't matter. Okay, I'll explain in a minute what to do. Roll the dice 20 times, if you've got one, and just record on here which number you got each time. If you haven't got one, don't panic. Just make up a pattern of numbers 1 to 6 on here. So 5, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 2, 3, so on like that. Doesn't matter. Okay, and then you're going to record it on a pictogram on purple mash. I saw some lovely pictograms for you last week. That was really good. Urel did too, didn't you, Urel? That was great. Then on Tuesday, you've got some more phonics. So this time it's spelling the A sound. So have your green books ready for that. Do your spellings in your green books, okay? Then try a couple of Joe Wicks, keep yourselves fit and active. In the afternoon, there's a YouTube video that Miss Layton's found for you on Jonah and the whale. So click on the link there, and then you need to look at the pictures and write me a sentence or a few words to describe every picture, okay? And then you can colour the pictures in, right? After that, on Wednesday, we've got an English lesson. So in school we really enjoyed learning about the magic paintbrush. We've stepped through the story, we've done our story maps. I hope you've done the same as well. So you're going to do some more work on that on Wednesday morning if you click on the link, and you're going to do some drama thinking about how the characters felt in the story there, okay? Then after break we're going to do some maths. So if you do questions 5 to 6 on the worksheets and follow the link again, watch the video, some more work on adding with number bonds. Then in the afternoon we've got some history. Now the link I sent last week didn't work. So for the history, you can watch this video again, which is a BBC bite size, which gives you the life of Florence Nightingale. Okay, and then there's a lot of work in the pack here. Try and read through this. Try and read through. We'll do it in the Zoom on Wednesday morning, but try also to just read through it with a grown-up at home. There's lots there, so I can't show you all at once. That will give you some more information about Florence, how she travelled to Scutari and what the hospital was like there. Then for your work, everybody, here's some questions you'd like to ask Florence about what it was like in all that time ago, about 200 years ago, travelling from England to Scutari and what she found at the hospital when she got there. Then have a think about what questions you'd ask a wounded soldier about what it was like in that hospital. Then here's a checklist for you to follow. And here's a picture of the hospital. On a blank page in your green book, I'd like to draw a picture of what you think it was like in that hospital. It wasn't very nice at all, so have a go at that. Okay? Then on Thursday, everybody, we've got a little bit more phonics. This time you're reading the sound E, okay? And then in your maths, find and make number bonds. Here is the activity, okay? So there's quite a lot to work through there. Have a go at that. You might find that quite hard. Have a go at that. We can always go over it in school afterwards and I'll mark your work and check how you did with it. It's fairly tricky, but you're doing number bonds up to 20 there, adding up to 20. Okay? Think about the Numicon, everybody. Use Numicon or draw it out to work it out there. Then, in the afternoon, there's some science work. So if you just click on the link, you're going to do some work on the properties of materials in your green books. Then on Friday, a bit more handwriting then, it's the next magic paintbrush lesson. Again, in your books, we're going to do some work on sentences in the past tense. So you're going to be using words like drew, I drew a picture, I walked to the shop, I played with my friends. Have a think about that. And then you're going to add by making 10. Follow this link for the maths work. Now, the worksheet is not the worksheet that the lady on the video will be talking about. It is this one. Okay, we're going to add by making 10 using these worksheets we have at the back of your pack. And then Friday afternoon, just do some more Joe Wicks. Okay? Have a lovely weekend, everybody. I'll see you hopefully every day next week. Bye.